Hey, my chickadees, welcome back to the Bag 40. Alright, today's Wednesday. That means yesterday was Tuesday, and Shana released her episode for her big fat pink journal and decorate with her. So, if you hadn't watched it, run over there and watch it. Alright, well, she did a pocket, a simple pocket. Put it on a book page. Okay, so what I did was a rectangle, simple pocket, but I didn't have a book page I wanted to put down, so I put it on this white page here. Now, what I did was I used a book page, and I used some distress sprays and did, excuse me, and I did Salted Ocean to bring the blues in, and Gathered Twig. So I sprayed that down and spritz it with water and then sprayed it down, and it did some nice coloration and dried it, and it has a good sound, good feel to it. Then I took one of the pages out of the kit and fussy cutted the lace there and one of the flowers and put it here. And this came from, I think, Heather and Young's freebie. I'm not really sure. I think it's hers. Good Life. I'm not sure, but I believe so. And then this one, I don't know where it come from. It was in my scraps. It has that, so it may be a shabby. I'm not sure. But I had those, so I put those in there. No. That might be a Dear Julie Julie. It's got that stuff I don't like on it from the tape, joint tape, so I'm not sure whose it is. Okay, I was in those scraps. Y'all know we're using this and decorating this, using down all those scraps. So we have that in there. So we want to put another one on the back signature, and I think I want to use that for decoration on the pocket. And let's see. Oh, well, they'll use that book page. It'll be a book page on a book page, but that'll be okay. I'm going to put on this one and reinforce this. Okay, I have some, it's not quite dry. Let me hit this with the gun. I'll be right back. Okay, got that all dry. So I have this, and I want to just do a simple pocket. Y'all know I don't measure, so okay. Now I'm going to cut this sides here off to even those up. I'll take that to the word block. It's still a little damp. It doesn't want to cut right. There we go. Alright, and we're gonna glue that down and glue this. I'm gonna reinforce it. There we go. And then just put just a bead right down the side, across the base, and up the other side. Okay, so still, if you're watching, remember this. You should be able to do this one. It's just a simple book page. You can do anything. You can use anything. It's just a simple pocket. And you can use scrapbook paper, book paper, music paper. You can use any cardstock. You can use anything. Okay. And then I want to use one of these antique chairs, and I think I want just the chair. I thought about the Alright, let's put that down. I'm going to put this kind of off the pocket like that. Oops. Kind of off the pocket. And there's a number here. There's a catalog number, the old Sears Roebuck catalog number. So I'm going to take it and cut it out. And put it on here. Right down there. It needs a little something else. Alright. No, I don't want to turn that over on the back, so I'm just going to cut it off like it's going off the page. There we go. And we have that. And then behind it, it's too big. Like that. All right. Okay. I'll leave that out to dry. Let's see if I have any of the scraps in here that can make a top for that tag. You know what? Oh my God, he's so cute, look. Okay, definitely going on there. Oh, let's see. I want a topper for that tag, but I don't. I'm gonna have to get my scraps out. I got this. That's too much. Alright. We'll have to come back later and add a topper to it. I do have some pearls. I gotta get that out of that bag. It makes too much noise. I do have pearls. Those are cute. I think I don't want. I think I want all of those. Do I? Yeah. Oh well, let's just do it. We gotta use them up. Okay. Ugh. My God, I got glue boogers. Okay. There we go. Let's get him. Look, things sticking to me. Oh my gosh, he is stinking cute. Oh. Put him right there, popping his little arm up on that pillow. Okay, there we go. Isn't he cute? Look. Okay, that is our pocket number 2. So we got one of the simple pockets in the second signature all decorated, and I did one in the first signature all decorated. Okay, that's it for our Tuesday Sanuki art exercise. Y'all run on over to her channel and see what she's got going on. I'll see you on the next go round. Bye.